Hey y'all, I was just skinning this bobcat, and this is like the third or fourth one this week I've seen that is not tagged properly. I don't know if it's the game warden or the trapper or the person that harvested it, but I don't know if you guys could see that very well. They totally missed the eye and came out right there. So I thought it'd be a good time to show people how easy it is. Say your game warden can't make it there, tag your cat that day. Just take your knife. You can use any knife. I use a scalpel just because that's what I had laying here. I got a regular knife, but it's dull. Just follow that skull line right there. Then get you something sharp. I just made the incision right there. My finger goes almost to the eyeball. It only takes a couple cuts. Bust through that eye film. That's how easy it is. And then, say your game warden ain't coming that day. Literally, you guys can put anything in this hole. Let me see what I got here. I got a bolt. Just a regular old bolt. It's a pretty big bolt. Freeze that animal like that till your game warden can come give you your tag. Hope that helps y'all. I know it's a short video. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment with all your buddies. Hunting, trapping, fishing related. Outdoors. Hope you have a good day. Bye.